Hi, so this is Joanne, and I'm here to talk about Honeygain, a money earning application we could use in our desktop and other devices. So, first, we click into the referral link. This one is a referral link I have made on my Facebook, and once we click on that, we'll get directed to the registration page. So it says there, congratulations for using a referral link. You are eligible to claim $5. Click the button below to sign up. So click on this. And you will see the form where you can sign up using your email and by creating a password. And then you click sign up, or you could just sign up using with Facebook or using with Google. So since I've already made my own account, I'll show you what's inside Honeygain dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and once you're registered, you have this load up on your screen, and we have options to download specific applications for our different devices, like for Windows, for Mac, and for Android device, which you can see on this upper right side of the dashboard. And in this dashboard, you will see right here the amount of earnings, and down here on the left side you can see the devices you could add or have added. Like for my end, I have added 4 devices already, and more devices, more chances of earning, so consider that. And then on the left panel, you have the option to click on dashboard, transaction history, and referrals. Or also you could go on this right lower part of the screen where you could see invite friends and get 10%. So you could click on the copy link or the hyperlink for Facebook, Twitter, and email. So for this application, I have learned it from two or vloggers. So shout out to Mimi Luarca and to Jennifer Marie, who have encouraged me with their proof of payout. So they have shown on their videos how they were able to accumulate earnings and withdraw. So I encourage you as well to make use of this application. So just click on the URL link down the description, and you will see my referral link as well. Thank you for your time listening. Have a great day.